Hello, my name is Julie Tyson. Today I'm going to teach you how to capture an image using Jing. And Jing is a software that we have used in class so far to capture images that we could use in teaching or any other fields that we want to use it for. So the first thing that we're going to do, if you look here, download Jing software. So I've already done that so far. I have it right here. Here's the program, Jing, and you want to first download the free version of it. So I've already done that, and once you go ahead and download the free version, there's going to be something like this on your screen, anywhere on the top of your screen. It looks like a yellow sun or a half yellow circle. And what you're going to do first is download the version, and then after that you want to find an image that you want to capture. So I teach kindergarten, so we learn about shapes and everything. So I found an image with shapes with squares, rectangles, all these shapes here that you can see. So what I'm going to do is next, after I find the image, I want to capture the image by using the sun tool. And that's the tool that I just explained to you right here. So I'm going to go back to my shapes here, and I'm going to use the sun right here to capture the image. And you're going to see this cross right here to capture the image. So I'm going to click on that right here, and I'm going to drag over and capture the image. And I only want to include what I want in the picture. So here's the image, and right here you're going to see like a black rectangle, and it says capture image, and this is where it's going to save the image. So you want to click on that button right here. And here is the image by using the Jing. It shows up on the program. And here you can do different tools here that you see. You can add arrows to it. You can add text. You can frame it or add a frame around it to focus in on part of the image. You can highlight something, and here is color tool that you can use to color the text or color the arrows or anything that you put onto the image. So here I'm going to use some arrows to show my students which ones I'm going to label the images or label the shapes. So here what I'm going to do, actually I'm going to do that backwards. So I'm going to go this way. So I did my arrows, and here I'm going to label the shape here. Say it's a square because it is a square, and I'm going to move over the text box over here so it's easy for my students to see that this is a square and it's pointing to the square. And I would do the same thing here. Let me go back. So here's the arrows. Here's my text. I'm going to say rectangle. Okay. You see how I'm doing that? I'm moving over, I'm putting the arrows in, and then moving over the text so that the arrow and the text are together. And I'm going to keep doing that until I finish. And I can also move the arrows around or make the arrows smaller or bigger. So sometimes I may move them around just to make it a little bit easier to read. This is a circle. And then I may have to go down because my image is a little bit bigger. Oval. And then last one is going to be triangle. And I can always go back if I wanted to change the colors. I can go back and change the colors. And you see here's all the different colors that you can choose from. But for right now, I'm just going to leave them all red just because it's easier to read. And I'm going to delete that one right here. There we go. So here's my image right here. So after I'm done putting in the text or putting in any shapes or any arrows that I want to use, I'm going to next save it to, and I'll show you the directions here. So after I capture the image by using the sun tool, which I just showed you, and then I'm going to save the image to the folder that I want to save it to use for future use. So here I'm going to say save right here. And this is where I put just my, for my class, educational technology. I'm going to put that right into the folder. So I'm going to say Shapes and click Save. Now it says that the file is now saved, and I can open the file again. And this is my picture that I just got done capturing, putting the words in, putting the arrows in. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned a little bit about the Jing software.